scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up.
Finding points of inflection from a first derivative graph is fast. We will solve this calculus problem together in just a few quick steps. To find the points of inflection for the function, we need to identify where the second derivative changes sign. This happens at the relative extrema of the first derivative function. Look at the graph of the first derivative f' on your calculator. We are searching for every local maximum and local minimum point located within the given open interval range. By counting these peaks and valleys, we find exactly 4 turning points. This means option C is our correct answer. You totally nailed it. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given info and check steps.